Do you know how to make this fantastic drop list menu based on our data table? We are going to use XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, index and match, filter function. Let's go! Firstly, to create the drop-down list menu, go to Data, select the data validation, and under the Allow, we are going to select the list. Following, for the source, we need to select all data from our data table. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Perfect. Let's add the XLOOKUP function. We write equal XLOOKUP. We select the cell with our zombie. In this case it is A3, comma. We go to data table. We select the column with all our zombie, it is A, comma, and we select the column with our speed, it is B. Press enter and let's see the result. Let's use our VLOOKUP function. We write equal VLOOKUP. We select the cell with our zombie, in this case it is A3, comma. We go to data table. We select all our data, comma. We write number 3 that correspond to trends, comma, and false for the exact match. Press enter and let's see the result. Let's use our index formula. We write equal index. We go to the data table. We select the column D, comma. We write match. We come back to the zombie sheet. We select the column A3 with our zombie data, comma. We come back to data table and we select the column A that correspond to zombie, comma, 0, double quotes and press enter. Let's see the result. And the last one is filter. We write equal filter. We go to our data table. We select the column with our rarity, comma. We select the column with our zombie type, equal. We come back to the select zombie sheet and we select the cell with our zombie. Press enter and let's see the result. Guys, everything is ready. If we select different type of zombies from our drop list menu, all our data will dynamically be changed.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.